Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen once again. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm not going to stick to the Nigellas and the BBC Good Foods of the world. I'm actually going to take my lunch recipe today from, you ready for this? TikTok. I don't have TikTok, I don't use it, I don't even really know what it's for, to be honest, but lots of people recently have been putting like little food hacks on TikTok. And they look really good. There's 3 that I've chosen that I really want to try, and I've just been shopping this morning, as you can see from my full fruit rack over there. That's meant for cupcakes, but we use it for fruit, a little bit healthier. They look like they could work, all of these things, to be fair, but you don't know unless you try. So I'm gonna have a go at some of these food hacks and see if they really do work. Everyone's been doing this challenge, if you like. I don't know what you would really even call this. It's kind of like a iced coffee, but with the coffee creamy mixture on the top of the milk. It looks nice and apparently it tastes pretty good, so we're gonna give it a go. All you need, instant coffee. I've gone with Dow egg bits, and you want 2 tablespoons of that. Chuck it into a mixing bowl, which I've got here. 2 in with 2 tablespoons of sugar, which I've got here. I'm not a big fan of sweet drinks, particularly like coffees or teas. So I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but we'll give it a bash anyway. And you want 2 tablespoons of hot water. 1, 2. So that is the coffee granules, the sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Then apparently, all we need to do is whisk it together. You can do this by hand, but you know, who's got time? Well, we all have time, to be fair, but look at that, it's going toffee sauce-ish already. Amazing. That actually looks like it does on the TikToks. I sound like such an old man on the TikToks. My future kids are watching this cringing. That looks pretty good. That looks like a toffee sauce. It's like really thick and creamy. I only got into coffee recently, actually, the last couple of years. It was always more of an adult's drink, but now I'm 31, so I kind of am an adult, or at least I should be. So I have them regularly on the regs now. There we go, 2 glasses. I'm gonna fill those with the milk. There we go. What we're gonna do is just pop this stuff on the top. Like this, like so. Well, as you can see, I've just got it all down the side of the glass there. This is not going to win any awards for presentation, but as long as it tastes good. Made 1 for me and 1 for the missus. We got the metal straws because we love our planet. So we're just going to pop those in there. Oh, it felt thick. Even just putting that in there, it felt like there was a thick sauce on top. Let's go and give it a try. Didn't actually realise that Jo is actually teaching violin right now in the other room. So I've just popped it in there for her to drink when she's got a break. I'm going to go ahead and drink mine. Just going to give it a little mix, just to get some of that coffee flavour down into the milk. That'll do the job. Okay, let's give it a go. The coffee is very subtle, but it is there. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And to look at it, that looks appealing. Well, except for this bit at the top here. You would buy that in a coffee shop. Yeah, big fan of that. Big fan of that. So there you go. TikTok so far has done me well. What I'm gonna do for the second one, there's a really cool way that somebody's devised of making an egg sandwich. Oh, I've got a bit of coffee on my finger there. Oh, that was like a proper coffee granule. Oh, that was grim. Just drink this to get rid of the taste. So you put the, I'll just show you. Let me just show you what it is. This is a TikTok egg sandwich for lunch. All you need is 2 eggs, little splash of milk, 2 bits of bread, obviously, because it's a sandwich. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this cheese in as well. We don't normally have this cheese, by the way, it's burger cheese. But I bought some today when I went shopping for a video, another video, which is actually gonna be coming up later this week, so keep an eye out for that. But anyway, got some burger cheese that I'm gonna put in as well, because that will melt nicely with the rest of the sandwich. Okay, so start off, a couple of eggs, going into a bowl. That's not gone well, is it? Literally cleaned this hob today. Look at it now. Okay, so anyway, 2 eggs in the bowl. Then a little splash of milk. Grab a fork or a whisk, I've got one of these, and just whisk together. Frying pan now comes into play, a little bit of oil in there. This coffee thing actually gets better the longer you leave it, by the way. Now the coffee and the milk are really mixed together, you can really taste the coffee. So now you want to take your egg mixture, pour your egg mixture in. It's taking a little while. I think I might have put a little bit too much oil in. I'm saying this like I know what I'm talking about, I really don't. I've literally watched it once on YouTube. A couple of bits of bread, you can just pop those on like that. At some point you've got to do the scary thing of flipping the whole thing over, which I am putting off, I'm going to be honest. Oh, hello. Ah, Ah, so annoying. I literally, as you can see, that half has completely come off. Just leave it for a little bit longer, and then what you want to do is just fold. I will get a lot better at this. Ow. If you're going to put cheese in, and say now is a pretty good time, just pop it in, and then when you're ready, just flip it in. Uh-oh, a little bit of overspill. There we go. Let's cook the bread nicely. Has the cheese melted? Yes, it has. Look at that. Gooey cheese inside. Beautiful. Let's give it a go. It's not bad. Once you get into the middle, where the cheese is, it tastes a lot better. I mean, it's good. It's an egg. It's like an omelette and a sandwich. I gotta say, the burger cheese is really good. Something like this, you want the cheese that's going to melt and go gooey, and there's a lot of different things you could do with it. I've just done the basic one today. Is it bad that I really like that burger cheese? It was like 70p the cheese, but I love it. If I go to a barbecue in the summer, you've got to have a bit of that cheese on your burger, haven't you? It's kind of the rules. I'm going to finish this, but now it's time for dessert. Okay, so for dessert, we're going to have an Oreo cake in a cup. All you need for this, literally, is Oreos and some milk in a cup. Oh, you can't see me. There we go. In a cup. In the video on TikTok, I think it was 3 Oreos in a cup. This is quite a big cup, so I'm going to might put 4 in. There we go, 4 Oreos in a cup there. And then you literally put half a cup of milk in, like so. You just mash them up. I think that's 2. I think I need to put another one in. This is not a healthy video, this one. I'm sorry about that. But, you know, we're all locked in. We need to have a little treat once in a while, don't we? Just help yourself. Joe's out of a violin lesson. One mention of Oreos and she's straight out. It looks a bit sloppy. It's a bit liquidy at the moment. I don't know if it's meant to be like that. Okay, so I'm gonna pop that in the microwave now for 1 minute and 10 seconds. That's literally all it needs, and then we'll be done. It's in the microwave. I've been waiting for what feels like forever. When it's in the microwave and you know it's almost ready, it's the longest wait. Any second now. Hey. Oh, it is! It's like a cake in a cup. I can't believe it. It's still a bit sloppy. I don't know if you can see that, but it is literally, that is like a cake. How has that happened? It's milk and Oreos and it's become a cake. Let's give it a go. I mean, it's good. It tastes, I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of this one actually. It tastes like just soggy Oreos. I prefer the Oreos as they were. Give me an optimal. I've dropped one on the floor. This is a crime. Oh no. Give me that any day. It's not grim, but I think this is my least favorite of the recipe. Maybe I'll give it another try. Hold on. It's not got anything on the coffee. I think that was the best one. So that's the 3 TikTok meal things done. If I was rating them out of 10, I would go coffee. I'd go 9 out of 10. I thought that was pretty good actually, to be fair. The egg sandwich, which was here but is now gone, I would say 6 out of 10. And this Oreo thing, I would probably give it a 4 out of 10. I've said it in all my cooking videos, we've got all this time, might as well have a little go at cooking some of these things up. They're so simple. Maybe your Oreo thing would turn out better than mine, I don't know. It's probably 20 minutes later now, and I've still got the Oreo cake here, and I've just started eating it again just because it's right next to me. And I've got to say, it grows on you. Maybe it was just too hot to enjoy the flavor before, but now I'm gonna up my rating for the Oreos cake to, what did I say before, 4 out of 10. I think I'm gonna go 6 out of 10. So I'd put this on a par actually with the egg sandwich. Another 5 minutes has passed and I gotta say, feeling quite sick. One little tip for you, if you're gonna try these things, that's fine. Maybe trying them on separate days, because I just had one after the other. Not only am I locked in when it's a sunny day, I now feel sick. Back to you, Ash. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more content of mine, please do subscribe and keep an eye out for next week, because I am going to be making the world famous an incredibly delicious and delectable McDonald's sausage and egg muffin. The nation was devastated when McDonald's closed. People were queuing around the block to try and get in. Got you covered. We're gonna have McDonald's muffins at home. But thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, stay indoors. The NHS is doing a fantastic job, so please continue to support them by staying indoors and staying in your gardens and just staying at home. Take care, bye-bye.